Hey guys, Mark Rickert here with the Rickert Property Group team at Real Broker. Hope you're doing well today. All right, it's official. Cancellation rates are on the rise. Did you know that? In a lot of markets, around 30% of real estate transactions that go to escrow end up canceling. Since listing with canceled deals often end up selling for less money, what can you do to minimize the chances of your buyer flaking out? And as an experienced expert, I've dealt with uncertain buyers before. That's why today I'm sharing why buyers are leaving deals in this market and explaining what you can do to stop a cancellation before it happens. Number one, buyer's remorse. You know, the market is definitely slower than it used to be. We all know that. But that doesn't mean buyers aren't feeling pressure to make decisions quickly. Due to market competition, economic news, the election, and a ton of other issues, a lot of buyers want to finalize a deal ASAP. As a result, many of them jump into deals before they're ready. To prevent this, get your agent to vet potential buyers as well as their agents. If they're pre-approved and have a strong motivation for moving, they'll be much more likely to follow through on your home. Number two, inspection issues. The number one reason why housing transactions fall apart is inspection issues. A buyer might absolutely fall in love with your home and have full intentions on following through, only to have problems come up in the inspection that gives them cold feet. They get nervous. This is especially an issue in our current market since buyers don't have a ton of free cash for repairs due to higher interest rates and prices. To prevent inspection problems from ruining the deal, the perfect deal, I highly recommend a pre-listing inspection. This way you can take care of potential problems up front, even go into negotiations with more leverage. Number three, drawn out negotiations. The longer you spend negotiating, the more chances you give the buyer to walk. In my experience, most drawn out negotiations are the result of appraisals coming in lower than expected, which can change your buyer's financial situation with their bank. To prevent these problems, work with your agent before you list to find the perfect price that will net you the most money without causing appraisal issues. Plus, your agent should be able to argue for your price to the appraiser using the research they did to find your home's value doing the comparables. Whether you're planning on selling soon or years down the road, it pays to plan ahead. Call or email me for a free, no obligation pre-sales consultation. I'll go over your neighborhood, the market, staging, and more. I look forward to hearing from you. And if you'd like to get our free home value estimate, keep an eye out for my upcoming email, and you can click on a link and get it there, or you can call, text 505-616-HOME. That's 505-616-HOME. Have a great day. Bye.